My favorite Christmas tradition is usually getting up before everybody else in the morning. I'll sit and grab a cup of coffee, turn on the tree, and sit and reflect on all the blessings God's put in my life over the previous year. Then I get up and make breakfast, big breakfast for everybody that morning.
Early in December, me and my girlfriend, we like to put the Christmas tree up and watch movies. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, all the classical Christmas movies.
My favorite Christmas tradition is having Christmas brunch with my family while opening gifts and presents, and then we watch our favorite holiday movies together while doing so. My favorite thing is definitely sausage casserole. Pretty much my mom does all the cooking, but I do occasionally help out with it as well.
My favorite Christmas tradition is making tamales. We'll make about 200 tamales. Everybody has to put in a hand on it, from the kids to the adults. Everybody loves being there. The kids always arguing with each other, playing music, just having a good time.
My favorite Christmas tradition is spending time with family and friends. Hang out and play games, watch TV, enjoy each other's company.